Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Sony LinkBuds on Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and then go to the search. Click at the search line and write Sony. Now search. And you should install this application. Now open it. Select your region here, then check and start. Agree, OK, allow. Next. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!